The bed's a rock and roll bed. Okay, when you first get into the bed, there's a little spot there. Make sure the safety belts are in. The seat belts are actually underneath there. So if you need it, put the seat belts through up here. Do not try though and make the bed with the seat belts in. You'll just rip everything and it'll cost, I'm afraid. So make sure the seat belts are through. Back down there. Close everything up. Now then, to open the bed, use a catch. Pull all the way forward. Get on top of the bed. And there's a little catch down here. Move that up, push. Try not to be as hard as that though. Basically, on the way back, just do the entire opposite. Back of the van, lift that up. Push this back. You have to do this twice. And it's awkward when you're holding a camera, but there you go. Hope you saw that. Okay, so you shut it. Then you've got to do it again. And that locks it in place.